Hi everyone, I am Dr. Jenkins and welcome to the 12-week version of online nutrition. I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself, but also just to give you a few tidbits and notes about the course. Okay, so here we go. I am Dr. Jenkins, your instructor. Hello. We've met now. Okay, so you will see everything that you need on Blackboard, all right? This is a 12-week course, so we're taking what we usually do in 16 weeks and condensing it. So that means that every week we'll be covering either 1 or 2 chapters of information. This is going to be a class that moves quickly, okay? You're going to have to make sure that you stay up on the work and that you don't get behind. But you can totally do it, okay? So here's what you're going to do each week. Well, actually, let me start with, to begin with, it's really in your best interest to make sure you look over everything on Blackboard. You will see on Blackboard a tab called About the Course. If you go under there, you will see the syllabus, the semester schedule, the grading information, the attendance and late work policy, which is to say that I don't take late work, okay? I don't take late work, not even by a minute. So make sure you carefully look over that. I do my best to be organized because I want you to know what the expectations are, and please pay special attention to the semester schedule, because it outlines for every week what chapters we're covering and then what is due. Okay, so please look at that. On the syllabus and on the little tab about the course, you'll also see some information about the textbook. There's a textbook you can choose to purchase, but I also have a free online option. So many students choose to do that, and they use that as a reference, and they're just fine. As a matter of fact, all the information you need for the material really is on the PowerPoints and in the videos that I post. So a good place to start might be to go off of the videos in the PowerPoint and then use a textbook, either a hard copy or online. Use that when needed. I'm not going to throw a question on an exam from the textbook that I didn't talk about in the videos, okay? So here's what's up each week. Each week, it will be up to you to review the videos and the PowerPoints and the notes for those 1 or 2 chapters that we're covering, okay? I don't hold a class at a certain time. I post a link to a video of me going over the material that you can watch at your own pace. It also means that you can stop it and rewind and go back, right? So you're gonna go over the material at your own pace, but don't wait till the last minute each week. And then every week there's 3 assignments due, okay? One assignment that's due is the discussion board post. That is due every Thursday by midnight. And then there's an online quiz and a critical thinking worksheet. The online quiz and the critical thinking worksheet are due every Sunday by midnight. Every week it's the same thing, right? We get a new chapter or chapters of information, but it's the same things due. Discussion board due by Thursday at midnight, and then online quiz and critical thinking assignment due Sunday by midnight. I do not take late work, so that means 12:01 Monday morning, I'm not going to accept anything. You need to make sure that you get things done earlier in the week, or at least earlier in the weekend. I do my best to check my email on weekends, but let's be honest, folks, I'm not going to be checking my email at 11 o'clock on a Sunday night. So if you have a question, you're going to have to ask me earlier, okay? This also means that you're going to want to try and take your online quiz earlier. Every once in a while, there's some kind of technical problem where you accidentally get kicked off a Blackboard or something. So if you take the quiz earlier in the week, even if you take it on Friday, even Saturday, right? And there's a technical problem, that gives us enough time for you to email me so I can reset the quiz, and then you can take it again before the deadline, okay? In addition to those regular weekly assignments, there's going to be a diet analysis assignment, more information to come, and there is a midterm and final exam. Those will both be given on Blackboard, okay? Information will be given to you when it gets closer. So listen, folks, I want you to be excited. Nutrition affects all of us. So even if you're not super excited, I mean, we all have to eat. So I do my best to make it fun, but I do expect you to do work. I mean, this is a college course. To get those 3 college credits, you have to complete the work and do so at a competent level. But I am here to help, okay? Make sure that you look over the material, and I look forward to working with you.